guys, I greet you all according to your time. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how I prepare my Nigeria party jollof rice for just a get together party for my daughter's birthday. So here I've already cut the meat. I'm using turkey and beef. I'm trying to season everything because I'm going out so that when I come back it's going to be easy for us to start preparing. After all, we are starting towards in the evening, guys. So let me take you guys back to our country. So I don't mix am now. I don't use all the old seasoning to mix am down so that all the spices, everything will penetrate, enter inside the meat. So I will leave am for some few hours because I dey go church, I dey go choir parties. So I'll cover and leave am for there. So if I come back in the evening, I will start. Now I won't try clean up my ingredient, ginger, garlic and the onions and tatashe when I go use for the jollof. Without all those things, you are not cooking party jollof rice, you are cooking that means accident rice. Now we are about to blend our ginger, garlic and all that, everything that I cleaned before. We go blend down, we'll add a little bit of water because so that our blender no go kpafuka like before. I don't fair experience, I know they like blend something with water, but I don't learn see. So if you dey cook party jollof rice or any food jollof rice or anything, no add all the pepper inside because guys, before I continue, I use minty tomatoes. So not blend the pepper join the tomatoes because not be everybody they like pepper. Blend that aside so that you go dey add down little by little if they do the stew for the jollof rice. Guys, we are also cooking fish pepper soup. We are cooking fish pepper soup. So I'm trying to clean it up. Now I want to add hot water join my meat when I put for fire because at the beginning I know they add water because I need the stock to prepare the jollof rice. If you prepare Nigeria jollof rice, if you use normal water to cook the jollof rice, my dear, you are in Oyo, you are not cooking Nigeria jollof rice, you are cooking like I said before. So you need the stock for the jollof rice, you know, for all this everything have to be inside the jollof rice. Now that one I go give am the taste and the aroma. So guys, I can say make I wash my fish. Guys, if you want wash fish, you know catfish be like snail. If you want wash fish, use lime or salt to wash am so that it go dey easier for you. Soak am for water with all those things. Before you come back, it's already clean. You no go stress yourself again. So that is how I wash my catfish. You know catfish they draw like as in snail. I don already wash and cut am, so I want to remove all the meat from fire. I go put am for oven because I don't want fry am. Too much of oil is very bad, it's not good for health. So guys, this meat I dry am 3 times because not enter once. I think 3 times or 4 times because remember we are using turkey and beef here. So we want do the stew. I say make I pour my groundnut oil inside, don't heat up. So I dey add my onions. We don't chop the onions, we give a runabout shape. As you can see, we are using red onions, guys. So I dey try add my tomato paste to inside the oil, as you can see. So I dey turn as see how the color fine red as in this jollof rice is choke. But this thing too much, these tomatoes wey we boil and everything is too much because we are cooking just 5 kilos of rice. Remember, it's just a little bit get together for my daughter 10 years birthday. So I just have to do it for her because I've been promising her, don't worry, when you are 10 years, I'm going to celebrate it. I'm going to say because normally she dey do her birthday for school or church, you know, but this 10 years we just have to mark it for her because we dey go park now there we'll forgo and reach this jollof rice. You know, remember we are preparing 3 types of food. Oh my god, OMG. So the fish done ready. I want to put them for fire, make I begin add all the ogbogwe, all the things where the fish needs to as in to give that vibe of party pepper soup. I don't blend all the ingredient, pepper, garlic and ginger and the crayfish. I blend everything together, so I don't add down this fish many. Now 1.5 cartons now we cook. If you dey see am for pot is small, but in many. So I don't add all my things, everything, the ingredient I will cover and make it done. make it. So guys, this one in the evening. I don't already come back from church. I can't say may I prepare the pepper soup down so that tomorrow morning it will day easy. It go day easy for me because at least 9:30 I'm supposed to be in church. Okay, so I can't prepare her. Now this one na morning 4:30 in the morning. We don't wake up. They say as the tradition demand, give what belongs to Caesar to Caesar. So I want to give my body to what belongs to my body. Okay, coffee na my breakfast like they always they talk. So this one na the stew I won't try separate that because it's too much. It's too much. We they cook just 5 kilo of rice. We don't need all the stew. It's too much. So we are going to remove some from the stew. Now 2 pots now we want to cook, and now it is time to wash our rice to remove all the way they inside the rice with hot water. So now I add the stock so that the stew go warm up before I put the rice. Now I wash the rice behind the camera because it's not easy to film. It's not really easy. My people, so I want the separate the rice. I want share into two for the pot or more. This is my pot. I love them because especially the one with big parts. That one as in na patient na be a name. I give am patient because they always they do make. No, but they pepper. The two they are very good, as you can see. They are very useful. The day when I buy this pot, I was like, what am I doing with this big pot? But now I don't get used. I can't remember say I never add everything. I don't add bay leaf, my dear. If you dey cook party jollof rice, you know add bay leaf and rosemary and all those made. You are not cooking party jollof rice, so you are cooking accident rice. Okay, so I can't remember say I not add them. I can't add them again, mix them together to give am the taste, my dear. If you dey cook your jollof rice, make sure say you dey test am. If you put all the ingredients for you to see if the taste is okay. Now I dey try cover am with foil paper so that it go done with low heat. So before as my thing dey done, I come say make I join my sister, make I dey help am dey slice the salad things. I say make I turn my rice, make e no go burn, but I load the gas so that e no go burn. So I come dey check am, turn am, I give am small turn around. Everything go turn around for our good in Jesus name, amen. So the rice done, one pot done. I can say make I put my butter. My people, they use president butter, as it go be like that. President butter, they be like that. Blue what's it called, blue band wey we dey see for Nigeria those days, not be now, not be the one wey they sell now. If you want make your jollof make you feel that aroma of Nigeria, these days jollof, party jollof rice, my person, my people, my woman, my man, go buy president butter. It's very good. And if you dey add and make sure say your rice don't do as you dey add, and as you dey off your gas, not leave your butter for inside your jollof and cover am again, go start to dey done again, come turn to so oil. Leave am like this and you go feel the aroma of jollof, you go feel the taste of butter jollof rice. As you can see, I know they like red over red jollof rice. Like I made the color be like this, no, it go be like Mama Egbo jollof rice for Nigeria those days. See one bear party jollof rice, it is ready. So the second pot done. So I won't try add. I use one butter for the two because the two not the same size. I won't try hard down. The two done ready for here, my people. As you can see, this rice was so delicious. As the color be, now so the taste be. As the color be, now so the mind of this food, now so it be. As the rice they prepare, as they don't. I can say make I join my sister, make I help and follow up for the salad things. So I don't they scrape the carrot now we they make for the salad. So because my sister dey beside me, they help me, they cut the salad, she focus on the salad. So I don't do the carrot finish, I go try wrap am, I put am for fridge, because if we come back now we go start the missing. So this one are the cabbage, you don already slice am. This thing big go, I go put am for fridge. So we don reach back. I no fit video the part for the dish as the food because we dey hurry. This one are the meat, that one are the jollof. As you can see the color of the jollof. This one are the meat where we use oven to dry without oil. I mean it's oil free. Okay, it's oil free, it's bio. This meat na bio as the organic without oil. This one are the outcome of the salad, and the salad this rubber they are big, you know, say for camera they go small. So that one, this one our pepper sweke we will prepare. My sister go open and ask wahala. This one our pepper sweke we will prepare. And this one are the drink. We still come buy more drink, John, now because now some everybody they garden. So now some our birthday they do. So that is how we prepare our food. Make you watch the part 1 of the birthday party on my YouTube channel where she forgot the cake. Bye guys.